Hey guys, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 10 in a few different ways. So let's get started. So the first and the easiest way to do it is using the buttons on your iPhone. You'll locate the volume up and then the lock button or the side button here. And you need to press these two buttons at the same time, just like that. And after a few seconds, it should pop up with a menu where you can slide to power off. So that's method number one. Now, let's say for some reason maybe the buttons aren't working or you just simply can't press them at the same time. You can also use the setting on your iPhone by going into your settings, going to general, and then scroll down here, click on shutdown, and it'll also pop up a menu so you can slide to power off as well. So those are going to be two different ways you can turn it off. Now, another method you might want to do is by pressing the volume up or volume down one after another and then holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you'll see the Apple logo appear. That will also restart your iPhone. So if we do that volume up, volume down, and then I will the side button just like that. Then you can slide to power off. You can touch the screen, but if you can't touch the screen, you just simply hold that button just like that and we wait for the Apple logo to appear. And once we see the Apple logo appear, we'll let go of that side button and now it's going to turn on or restart for us. Now if you turn it off where you slide to power off, to turn it back on again, same thing, you'll just hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. For some reason maybe it's not turning on while you're pressing and holding that side button. Another way to do it is by connecting it to the charger. If you connect the iPhone to a charger, when it's turned off, it'll automatically force it to turn on. So that's another quick hack for if the button isn't working for you. So that's how you turn off or restart your iPhone 10 on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.